Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with an exciting work from home job lead for you. This one is part time and non phone. We're going to dive all into it. Just know the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, I don't know where you live, if you have a Crumble cookie or if you've ever heard of them. They make gigantic cookies and they're always switching out their flavors. They have mystery flavors. They are very good. I do have one near me. But they are hiring a part-time community specialist. Now, this is remote work from home, and you'll be responding to their social media comments. So they're basically looking for somebody to be responsible for controlling the online narrative about Crumbl and its competitors, capturing and reporting on user-generated content, as well as reporting on platform trends, opportunities, and customer feedback. You'll be responding to all public and private comments on the following social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, Yelp, and Google with PR. Educational and sales opportunities in mind. You will establish and strengthen relationships with those that frequent respective platforms. So the people who are always commenting, the loyal fans of Crumbl Cookie. You'll find and manage online dialogue in which Crumbl and its competitors are tagged and referenced, and you'll collect the user-generated content that other people post for social managers to leverage on online posting strategy. You'll collect cookie, store, and general brand reviews to help the company grow. So you don't have to create any content to post yourself. You are just looking at the comments, responding to the comments, and also when someone else, a competitor or a loyal fan, posts something on the Crumbl Cookie social media, you will collect the information that they post. Now, they are not requiring any degree for this position. They say customer experience is preferred, but customer service experience is not even required. They're looking for someone who has great communication skills, great at problem solving, the ability to convey the Crumbl Cookie voice online, and someone who is highly organized. Now, it does say this is an hourly, part-time, fully remote position. However, it does not list the pay. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. One thing to quickly note, in the links down in the YouTube description box, I do have this main Crumbl Cookie page, but if you already have a simple hired profile filled out, you can do the quick apply. I do have this page linked down below as well. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments, or if you have any suggestions on how I can make this channel better, leave that as well. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.